Hello and welcome back to your geography class. We are going through chapter number 7. इसके questions हमने discuss कर लिए हैं जो है कि है book के back side के. Now we have to discuss about the inside the chapter question answers जो कि हम हमेशा शुरू करते हैं with the part of MCQ. So here is the first question of the MCQs. What type of desert is Sahara? Blindly you can give the answer. Hot desert. So it's a hot desert. Next question. Which of these is the main river in the Ladakh? So Ganga is not, certainly. Reason is Ganga doesn't even go to that direction. It enters from Uttarakhand and it flows throughout the Uttarakhand, UP, West Bengal, Bihar region, that part. So Ladakh remains upside. So Ganga nahi hai. Nile is the African river, longest river of the world also. Remaining answer B hai, and Indus flows through the Ladakh region, and the only river of Ladakh region besides its tributaries or distributaries. Third question, what is the capital of Ladakh? So it's Leh. Srinagar of Jammu and Kashmir. Kargil, it's a what to be said as a location, a place within the Ladakh region. So which mountains enclose Ladakh is surrounded by which mountain ranges or the region that is occupying? So Himalayas and Western Ghats ka combo इसीलिए नहीं जाता. Himalayas lies in the northern part, Western Ghat lies by the southern part, so certainly it's not there. Aravallis are the ranges from Rajasthan and Vindhyas are the ranges from MP, Gujarat, Maharashtra border part. Certainly not so. Now the remaining is Karakoram and Zanskar range. Yes, the answer is Karakoram and Zanskar range. Within lies the Ladakh region, that is the Plateau region. Next, what is the main occupation of the Bedouins and Tuaregs? So both are these the tribal communities of कौन सा continent? Africa continent. No, we don't have to give the continent over here. We have to give the tribal concern कि किस region से हैं. So they are from the Sahara Desert. But what are their occupations over there? So particularly they do practice nomadic herding, जानवरों को चराना. Which is the climatic condition of Sahara, or what is the climate of Sahara? So hot and dry, quite easy. Sahara Desert has a hot and dry climate with extremely high day temperature and freezing cold nights. I've told you that during day temperature rises and during night it suddenly drops to the negative part. Next question, what's an oasis? So oasis is a region within the Sahara Desert where the water comes onto the surface of the earth ही कहेंगे because that is the uppermost layer, and within that the vegetation grows around the water body. So here is the define. An oasis is a fertile area, इसीलिए यहाँ पे vegetation है, in a desert where underground water reaches to the surface and allowing vegetation to grow. The कुल मिलाकर oasis is to be considered as a small landscape where water and vegetation both are available, not in abundance, but still they are available. What is grown in the Nile Valley in Egypt? Nile is the longest river and the only river of Sahara Desert. Along with that, longest river of Africa continent and the world as well. तो इतनी सारी information related to Nile River. But question पूछ रहा है कि Nile Valley, along with the Nile River, what type of vegetation is grown, and particularly we are talking about Egypt. So Egypt ka cotton, answer is already with us. Besides than that, crops like date palms, rice, wheat, barley and beans are grown in the Nile Valley region. Next question, what is the meaning of the word Ladakh? So we have to split the word Ladakh. So here is the split meaning of the word Ladakh. So हम लद्दाख को ल और डाक, not H, तो हम दो में split करते हैं. La means mountain pass. Mountains are giving passages, pass to move, and dak means country. So a country of passes. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऐसे narrow regions हैं जहाँ के passes दो देशों को जोड़ते हैं. Particularly we are connecting through these passes from our neighboring nations. Next is name two monasteries from the Ladakh region. Monasteries are for the Buddhists. So हमारे पास दो नाम हैं, Although Lamayuru bhi hai, but we are considering Hemis and Tikse. So Hemis monastery and Tikse monasteries from Ladakh. Next is compare the Sahara desert and Ladakh desert, but on what basis? उनका climate, vegetation and human life. एक उसके साथ फ्री में टॉपिक मेरी तरफ से, so that there should be no remaining one in the chapter. So first is the comparison of climatic conditions within the Sahara desert and Ladakh. Sahara is a hot desert, Ladakh is a cold desert. तो climate Sahara का hot and dry, Ladakh का cold and dry. Scorching heat, but besides being cold and dry, hot and dry, we can give the temperature if it is available. And yes, chapter में हमारे पास ये available है. So we are going to write down. Scorching hot, तो temperature rose करता है 50 degree Celsius and freezing cold at night along with the very little rainfall. For the Ladakh region, extreme cold and dry हो गया, temperature ranging from 0 to -40 and very little rainfall. तो सहारा का रेनफॉल का मेजरमेंट नहीं है, इट इज़ क्वाइट अनसर्टेन. लद्दाख का है 10 सेंटीमीटर पर ईयर. दिस वॉज द कंपैरिजन ऑफ क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन. नेक्स्ट इज द कंपैरिजन ऑफ वेजिटेशन. ह्यूमन लाइफ करना ही है, मेरी तरफ से फ्री गिफ्ट है लाइफ स्टॉक का, कि यहाँ पे जानवर कौन कौन से पाए जाते हैं. सो फॉर द सहारा डेजर्ट अगेन स्कैंटी वेजिटेशन इज इन बोथ द रीजन, बट होते कौन कौन से पेड़ पौधे हैं, वी कैन गिव देयर नेम्स फॉर द कंपैरिजन पार्ट. तो यहाँ पे होता है कैक्टस, डेट पाम्स, अकेकिया ट्रीज. लद्दाख में होते हैं श्रब्स, ग्रासेस, फ्रूट ट्रीज, लाइकवाइज एप्पल्स, एप्रिकॉट्स, वॉलनट्स. ह्यूमन लाइफ को कंपेयर करें तो सहारा डेजर्ट इज inhabited by whom? Two tribal communities, particularly Bedouins and Tuaregs, and they are indulged in what type of occupation? They are indulged in nomadic herding. And Ladakh region is occupied by two particular communities, religious one, Buddhist and Muslims. Along with that, they farm, rear animals and manage small businesses. Along with tourism is also present in there. हाँ, सहारा में भी tourism है, but as it is extreme temperature की वजह से यहाँ पे थोड़ा tourist effect होता है. Extreme लद्दाख में भी है, but that is still to be bearable with the help of clothes. But गर्मी को bear करना is not an easy task. Let's compare the livestock of Sahara and Ladakh region. तो सहारा में पाए जाते हैं camels, goats, sheep, etc. etc. But these are particularly the common one. Within the Ladakh region, we do have yaks, goats, sheep, wild animals like Tibetan antelope. And it is an endangered species, so it is protected in this region. Moving ahead with the last question, that is match the following. Same pattern that we had followed in all other chapters, और इस chapter के भी questions में हमने same pattern follow किया. Find the related answers or the terms. So in here, Sahara desert, hot desert. Oasis. So this Tafilalet in Morocco is the example of the oasis. So it is a very famous oasis in the Sahara desert. Next comes Ladakh. So Ladakh is a cold desert. Then comes Bedouins and Tuaregs. These are the tribal communities of Sahara. So let's find out. Yes, nomadic tribes. Nomads are the people who wander from one place to the other in search of food, shelter, etc. Lastly, ship of the desert. छोटा बच्चा भी बता देगा, कैमल. अब आप बोलोगे कि मैम लिखा क्यों है, तो लिख दिया भाई, आने में क्या जाता है. So that was all about chapter number 7. Soon we are going to catch up with the chapter number 8. तब तक के लिए keep focusing on to your studies. Stay tuned. Take care. Bye-bye.